Hey guys, what's up? I just want to do another quick video recap of my trade today on August 8th, 2023. Today I had a few tickers on my watch list. Actually, my list was quite long. I refined it back down to just these handful of tickers: Apple, Save, JD, and Diz. And I took some trades on Diz. Reason I have been getting into this kind of scalping trading lately is my confidence is building. Level 2, tape, everything just kind of feels right. I still am using the larger time frames to mark my ranges to play within, and also keeping a close eye on where I am in relation to the range and the pivot, as well as what the overall daily is. Once you kind of have a little bit better understanding of the larger term level, larger time frame levels paired with what is the market currently doing, where are the cues, where's the SPY, IWM, and in particular today the SPY is weak, is under VWAP, and it's just kind of hugging the 9 on the way down, and it is also under PDC. So with that in mind, I missed the entry on Diz, which was the top of an hourly range that I found, as well as a daily. And so when it came up, tested this level, I kind of watched the price action in relation to what the liquidity looked like on the order book. And I know I've mentioned this before, but I do use Bookmap. And there was a huge liquidity zone in around the $85, $86, $85 area. So I try to keep that in mind, paired with level 2, as well as the tape. And I got in short just below PDC, and you can see it took all these stops out. Here it kind of flushed down, and then partial. I was a little hesitant to add into onto this position. It just kind of seemed like such a fast move, and we are extended from the moving average, so I partialed out, and then I kind of watched price action again, and I could see some area, an opportunity to get into this area right here. And you can see I did bail right on the bottom here. I tried to hold it as long as I could. It popped back through moving average here, and I just got out of break even. So I still am watching this. A lot of these moves are happening without volume, so there's nobody behind them. And so what I will do is I will keep these on my list. I'm pretty much done for today, and I will see what they're doing once they get to this level, because I can see now, right now in particular, the SPY selling off, and it just lost a key level. So I may get back into this trade if it loses 86, because we do have room to the downside to the 85.60 area. And one thing I have to keep in mind is confidence level. So I've been on a slight winning streak. It's a green streak, and I know that confidence is at an all-time high, and that could be potential for a disaster. So I have those. I don't know if you just saw it a few minutes ago. I have these automatic alerts come up, and it just kind of pulls me out of the zone, because there's times where I'll forget to eat. I won't stand up. I'll forget to eat. I'll forget to drink, and I'm just so focused on the price action. And so it's just kind of a check. Hey, get up, clear your head, walk around for 5 minutes, grab a glass of water or whatever, cup of coffee. And so around, this is when I stopped, around 10:20. I just ran, had a quick bite to eat, a cup of coffee, and then came back to my screens, because with the overconfidence can potentially come the issue with risk management, over trading, and feeling like I can just take everything. Everything I take is working. Everything I take is winning. So I want to continue on that streak, and then greed comes into play. So I just kind of need to walk away and have a 5 or 10 minute mindset reset. And so now I'll just keep these levels marked for the day. Typically I'm done at 12:30 Eastern Standard for the most part, but I will watch these levels, as well as I will keep an eye on my scanner. I do use Trade Ideas, and I really like the 15-minute scanner that I set up. Has a high win rate. I still do look at the 5-minute reversals, but for the most part, this is what I've been doing as of late, this choppy price action. And it just feels right. The comms do add up, but it's just another style that I can add to my playbook, along with momentum breakouts, reversals, and scalping. So I feel confident that I can participate in any market, but I'm also cautious at the same time. So yeah, that is it for today. If anybody has any questions, please leave a comment. You can text, you can DM me on Twitter or Instagram. And if you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel. Hope everybody had a great morning, and I'll talk to you soon.